Hi Emerson, this is Miss Black. I am here to show you how to do lesson number 5, completing our first week of art lessons. So we're in the primary art lesson division, and this is going to be a lesson in collage work. So I have my tray, and on my tray I have a bowl that has selected chalk colors. I have electrical tape, and I have a pair of scissors. So I'm going to move my tray over so that you can see the paper that I prepared. So this is just a piece of construction paper. I've taken the electrical tape and I have cut it with the scissors to make a pattern on my paper. And so all we're going to do is we're going to let the student choose the color chalk they would like, and they're going to color in the sections around the tape. We want to make sure that the sections are covered in completely. Yet again, when we're working with our students on this activity, we're wanting them to start trying to organize in their minds what the end result is that they're wanting. So we want to talk to them about what colors they're wanting to use, maybe why they're wanting to use them, what pattern they might be seeing in their mind. All this is to encourage them to go ahead and plan ahead in their mind what our project will look like when they're done. This is going to help them out a lot when they've learned this skill for lower elementary. When they start doing project work, one of the reasons we concentrate so much on drawing and staying in the lines and having fine motor control is because they do a lot of diagramming in lower elementary, and we want them to be able to have readable work, not only for the teacher when the students turn it in, but we want the student to get something out of it when it's done. We want them to be able to read their own drawings. I'm going to make another selection. They want to concentrate on getting around those edges and as fully filling them in as they possibly can. Because you'll see when we pull the chalk off in a little bit that we want clean lines. The colors that I chose were chosen to give the effect of a spring collage. The chalk dust can be kind of messy, so you want to be aware of that before you start this project. Make sure that you have wipes that are easy to get to. So that you don't have a lot of dust flying around everywhere when they're finished with this project. Another reason that we do this activity is for students to start recognizing what colors go well with one another, what colors do they like together. quickly, I just have one more color that I've selected. I want to get it on a couple of spaces before I run out of time for this particular video. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'll go ahead and call it on this. So what you're going to do when they're all done filling in all of the areas is you're just going to peel the tape off gently. Very gently peeling off the tape. Giving us a pattern. Okay, so quickly, this is one that we did prior to filming so that you can get a general idea of what it should look like. Thank you so much. You have now completed the first week of primary art.